Where do I find my Microsoft account and password? Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will guide you on how we can find the Microsoft account and password. So let's go ahead and look out on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So if you're looking for on how we can find your Microsoft account password in your account, so let's just go ahead and look out on how we can do it. You may just go ahead and open up your Chrome browser on your desktop, and what you're going to do is look out for your account. So if you already know your account that is linked with Microsoft, the details like your email address, you're just going to go ahead and open up a Chrome browser, and here on the search bar you're going to type in account.live.com/username. Just go ahead and type it in your search bar of your Chrome browser. After that, you will be taken to the space of the Microsoft. So from here, if you don't remember, you may just go ahead and enter your email address or your phone number and click on next. After that, what happens is you will be receiving a 6-digit verification code. So you're just gonna go ahead and enter the 6-digit verification code which you will be receiving on your email in order to recover your account if you don't remember your password of your Microsoft account. So go ahead and enter the security code, and that should do it. Otherwise, in order to know your account password, it is very easy. Go ahead and open up your browser, your Chrome browser again, and here you're gonna look up for your saved passwords instead. So in order to do that, after opening up your Chrome browser, at the top corner, top 3, you can find 3 dots. Go ahead and look out for password in autofill. Here, if you have saved any password under Google Password Manager, including your Microsoft account, you will be finding all of your password there. So for example, I have saved password of this particular links here, like exit lag Facebook. So if you have added to your Microsoft as well, your Microsoft password will appear here right here in the password section. When you tap on the eye icon, you will be able to see your password if you have saved your password. So that is the only way we can see our password of a Microsoft. So therefore, follow the step if you have saved your password. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.